want to see Mom and Dad again. Help! Someone, please! We need help!
Girls, what happened?
What is that? Oh! Is it a snake? Go away! Go away!
1, 2, 3. Pull!
Ready, Bill. Here comes the ball. Ha! Catch it, Bill. Ah! I will pick it up. Ouch! It is so dark. I am scared. Anna, I fell into the well. Help me! Bill, are you okay? I am okay, but I cannot get out. Wait here. I will find something. Where is something long? Bill, wait! I am coming! Take this branch. Ah! I cannot reach it. It is too short. Oh no! It is still too short. Wait. I will climb up. I can use these rocks. No, Bill. That is very dangerous. Stay there. I can do it. Oh, no! Bill! Are you okay? I am okay, but it is too slippery. I cannot climb. Wait for me. I will call Mom and Dad. Mom, answer the phone. Please answer. Oh no. Mom is not picking up. I will call Dad. Dad is not answering too. Oh no. What can I do? Hello? Is anyone home? Oh no. Mary's family is on vacation. Oh no. Mr. Leo is at work. Help! Please, someone! Anna, what happened? Bill fell into a well. I need help. I will help you. Let's find someone. Help! Someone, please! We need help!
Girls, what happened?
Bill fell into a well. We must help him.
Let's go now!
I am so scared. I want to see Mom and Dad again. Bill, we are back.
Bill, hold the rope. I will pull you up.
I cannot reach it. It is too far.
Stay calm. I will get a longer rope. These ropes are too short. Ah, this may work.
Bill, grab the rope.
Oh no! The rope is too loose. It slipped away.
This is not safe. I will find one long rope. Wait here.
Okay. What is that? Oh! Is it a snake? Anna! Help me! There is a snake! Bill! Stay away! Dad! Answer the phone!
Anna, what happened?
Dad! Bill fell into a well! Come home now!
I am coming home now.
Go away! Go away! Oh, it is only a frog.
These ropes are too short.
Rescue team! We need help now!
Oh no! It is raining! I am scared of the rain! Do not worry, Bill. Dad is coming.
Help! I'm here! We're right behind you!
Bill!
Dad is here! Do not worry! Do not worry. We will help you.
You are here! I was so scared.
You are safe now. I will take you up. Pull us up! 1, 2, 3! Pull!
Don't worry, son!
We have him! We've got you!
Dad, I was so scared.
It is okay. You are safe now.
Thank you for helping, Bill. Take care, Bill.
I am happy to be home.
Everything is okay now. Sleep well.
What is that noise? Dad, what are you doing?
I will fill this well. It will be safe for everyone.
Oh, Dad is so kind. I love you, Dad.
I love you too, Bill.
Now it is safe. Did you enjoy our story today? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Play English TV channel. Bye-bye.